Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize BigCommerce with PayPal for high conversion checkout, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize BigCommerce with PayPal for high conversion checkout, start by logging into your BigCommerce account. In the dashboard, navigate to the Advanced Settings section. Click on Payment Providers to access the payment options available. Look for the PayPal options listed in the Payment Providers section. Select PayPal Express Checkout to begin the setup process. Click on the Setup button associated with PayPal Express Checkout. You will now need to enter your PayPal account information. Provide the email address associated with your PayPal business account. Next, click on Get Verified to connect your BigCommerce store with PayPal. Follow the prompts to log into your PayPal account for verification. Once verified, you'll be directed back to BigCommerce. Here, you can configure additional settings for PayPal, like payment options and order notifications. Make sure to select the currency you want to accept through PayPal. You can also customize the settings to allow customers to pay without creating a PayPal account. Review all configurations to ensure they meet your business needs. After confirming your settings, click the Save button to apply the changes. Your BigCommerce store is now authorized to use PayPal for high conversion checkout. To test the integration, make a test purchase on your store. Ensure that the checkout process goes smoothly and that the PayPal payment is processed correctly. If you encounter any issues, revisit the payment provider settings to troubleshoot. Once all steps are complete, you're ready to start accepting PayPal payments on your store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.